This spreadsheet started with nothing more than a list of company names. Less than 4 minutes later, every company has been researched, the right decision maker has been identified, and a personalized outreach email has already been written. No coding, no virtual assistants, no copying and pasting between websites. Just one visual AI workflow doing all the work automatically. Most businesses still do lead generation the hard way. They search Google, visit company websites, open LinkedIn, copy information into a spreadsheet, switch over to ChatGPT, write an email, and repeat the entire process hundreds of times. It's slow, repetitive, and impossible to scale efficiently. What you're about to see replaces an entire manual process with a single automated workflow. Everything begins with a simple spreadsheet. Mine only contains company names. That's it. The workflow reads one company at a time and processes each business individually. Think of it as hiring an AI employee that never gets distracted, never skips a step, and can repeat the same research process thousands of times without getting tired. The first task is understanding the business. Instead of manually searching every company online, the AI automatically gathers useful information such as a company website, industry, business description, employee count, and other publicly available details. This gives the workflow enough context to understand who the company is and what they do. The more context the AI has, the better every step that follows becomes. Once the company website has been identified, the workflow visits it automatically. The web scraper extracts exactly the information we need without opening dozens of browser tabs. Whether it's services, products, company descriptions, or other relevant business details, everything is collected automatically and organized into structured data. What normally takes several minutes now happens in just a few seconds. Now that the workflow understands the company, it needs to find the right person. Instead of sending emails to generic addresses like info@company.com, this step searches LinkedIn for decision makers such as the CEO, founder, head of growth, marketing director, sales manager, or recruiter, depending on your outreach strategy. Contacting someone with the authority to make decisions dramatically increases the chances of getting a response. This is where everything comes together. The AI already knows who the company is, what they do, what makes them unique, and who we're contacting. Instead of filling in a generic email template, it writes a personalized message that naturally references a business and feels like it was written after real research. Every company receives unique outreach instead of robotic copy and paste emails, making your communication more authentic and significantly more effective. Now let's watch the entire workflow run from beginning to end. The spreadsheet triggers the process. Company research begins automatically. The website is analyzed. The decision maker is found. The AI generates personalized outreach. Finally, everything is saved back into the spreadsheet without any manual work. Every stage connects seamlessly to the next, creating a complete end-to-end automation. Here are the results. We now have the company information, business insights, the decision maker, and a personalized outreach email that's ready to review or send. Remember, the only thing we originally provided was the company name. Everything else was discovered and generated automatically by the workflow. Imagine what this means for a real business. Sales teams can build targeted prospect lists in minutes instead of days. Marketing agencies can create personalized outreach campaigns for hundreds of potential clients. Recruiters can identify hiring managers automatically. Consultants can research entire industries without spending hours collecting information manually. Instead of hiring additional staff to perform repetitive research, AI handles the workload around the clock with consistent results. The real power of AI isn't asking ChatGPT a single question. It's connecting multiple AI agents together so each one performs a specific task, passing information to the next until an entire business process runs automatically. Once you build a workflow like this, you can reuse it for lead generation, recruiting, market research, customer enrichment, and countless other business automations. Start with one workflow. Improve it over time, and before long you'll have an AI system that saves hours of work every single day. If you want to learn how to build automated AI workflows like this one to scale your own business, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Like this video if it saved you time, and leave a comment below letting me know which manual tasks you want to automate next. See you in the next video.